Allow yourself some calming and soothing quiet time every single day. Take a few moments every day to think about your life, what you enjoy about it, and what you would like to improve. Try to let go of stress whenever possible. Respect yourself by taking care of your needs and desires so that you can be in a content and giving state of mind to care for others whenever needed. It's totally okay to be honest with yourself. Accept that you can only do your best in every situation. Every emotion that you feel is a part of you, and it's perfectly all right to experience all of them. Try to make your life simple and easy. Get rid of everything you do not need and cherish the things that bring you joy. Use your time wisely and for things that matter to you. Realize what is done is done. Attempt to move on and simply do your best the next time. You have the power to start from here, live the present, and change your future. Every situation has taught you something and has made you a wiser, stronger, and richer individual. Let the best and the highest come to you at every moment. That is what you deserve and are meant to have. Focus on your own life and how you can make it richer. Try to fix the things in your life that you can, and learn to release all of the things that are beyond your control. Know that you were created the way you are for a reason, and that you're beautiful just the way you are. Let your mind envelop your whole being with white light throughout the day. It will help protect you from negative energy. Trust your intuition and know it is within you to protect and guide you along the way. Be good to your body. Be good to your mind. Be good to your soul. Be the person you want to be, for it is your life, your decision, your destiny. Follow your heart when making any important decision, and it will surely be the best one for you. Be true to yourself and your dreams. Give your love freely and allow yourself to receive love just as easily. It's healthy to feel emotions, for they cleanse you of negativity and renew your spirit. Think about the one goal most important and dear to you, and how you might like to start pursuing it. Picture a close friend in your mind. Then try to think of a way how you could be a better friend to them. Spread your white, healing energy to the ones closest to you, for they probably need to feel it the most. Give simply for the sake of giving and seek nothing in return. Your greatest reward will be the honest gift you gave. Be open to new adventures. Let yourself experience different things because you may end up discovering something wonderful. Try to be thankful for what you do have, and by doing so, you will be all the more grateful for the good things that come your way. Keep your goals and desires simple, for when opportunity knocks, your mind will be clear enough to hear it. Feel free to take a nice, long, deep breath whenever needed. You will be surprised how much stress will fall off your shoulders from this simple activity. It's nice to dream and let your imagination run wild. Enjoy your valuable friendships and treat them with respect. You will need them during the high and low times. Know that you are always in the right place at the right time. What is meant to happen will always be the best for you. Remember that you are loved and are a very dear person. Accept yourself for the wonderful individual that you are. Allow yourself a moment each day to just gather your thoughts. This will help you to focus on what is important in your life and to let go of everything else. Try to appreciate every day when you can, for each one is a special gift from life. Live each day to the best of your ability. Savor your delicate senses. It is amazing that you can see, hear, taste, smell, and touch all of the truly remarkable things on this earth. Be aware of the breathtaking nature that surrounds you. It is an awesome creation of the universe and deserves to be appreciated. Try to enjoy the little things in life, for everything, whether large or small, has a special quality about it. Learn to listen to your inner self, for it always has the right answers for you. Treat yourself on a regular basis to something that is good for your body. There are many things that cost nothing and are easy to do. Your body and soul will greatly appreciate it. A nice long bath will do wonders. A simple self-massage around the neck, face, and scalp will clear your mind and help you focus on your current project. 3 long, slow, deep breaths will give you the patience to get through the rest of a hard day. Sleeping in an extra 2 hours on your day off will give you an enormous boost of energy to keep you going during the days that follow. Make sure your needs and desires are taken care of on a daily basis so that you can be in a positive psychological state of mind to help and care for others when they need you most. Always find a few minutes in your day to exercise, even if it's only 10 minutes. You will be impressed with how many sets and repetitions you can do in such a short time. Your body will thank you for it by reducing your stress level. Good health is a precious gift from the universe. Be kind to yourself. Enjoy eating and drinking healthy foods, but allow yourself to also savor things that simply give you comfort and pleasure, like sweets and other fun treats. Everything in moderation. Each morning, try to be thankful for the new day and the good things it may bring you. Know that whatever you may experience, it will help you to grow spiritually and make you a stronger person. Today, you have the opportunity to pursue your dreams. Focus on one of them and think of how you might be able to bring it a little closer to reality. Try giving yourself a warm and loving embrace every single day. This activity has a magical way of bringing you a little bit of comfort, no matter how you are feeling. Think about the things for which we often take for granted: the roof above your head, the food in the refrigerator, the clothes on your back, the friend who let you cry on their shoulder. All of these things are precious gifts and are wonderful to have. Just be your special self, and everyone you encounter will respect you for it. Each morning, stretch your arms over your head, reaching for the sky. Allow them to make a full circle in front of you. This is an excellent way to get your brain and body started. Enjoy your day, doing whatever brings you most joy and satisfaction.